In the last video, I took y'all to the shop to show you me dropping the car off and what was getting done to it. So if you want to know what got done to it, go watch that video. I'm back with another video, and today, as you can see by the title, the thumbnail, I boosted my Dodge Demon over 1,000 horsepower. I am about to go work out, so I'm going to take y'all, not with me to work out, but I'm going to give y'all a little drive with me on my way there, and then I will pick up the camera again after I leave. As you can see, this car is pissed all the time. Yeah, that's the best way to describe it. It is pissed off all the time. I'm telling y'all, I have another Demon with a mid-muffler delete, and it's loud. But this is a different type of loud. This is the kind of loud that I'll get pulled over for. This thing's crazy. There's headers done, you know, I'm not even gonna say it. You gotta go watch my other video. And if you stay to the very end, I might tell you the end of this video. Kinda disappointed because it's supposed to rain here every single day for like the next week. So this might be the last day that I can drive this, or that I will drive this. Just got done working out, and now I'm heading back to the shop. Golly, this thing ain't playing around. And what's funny is I'm not even done yet. I still gotta do the stage 2 tune and getting a pulley. So this thing is really gonna scoot here soon. What's crazy is this thing is not even in drag mode right now, and it'll still smoke everything on the road.
You guys like the car? Got it on vlog. He's like, yeah. God, dude, that purple is so nice.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's a pretty color for sure.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh yeah, rip it, rip it, rip it. Oh yeah.
him, and I just went past him. But I was like,
We were laughing, but I was like, there's no way we just saw that.
I got a question for you all. I've gotten so many comments, just people hating, saying, "Oh, why do you have this on? Why do you have that on? That's not a mod." Bro, I know it's not a mod, but what do y'all think I should do with this yellow splitter thing? It literally is a cover to make sure you don't scratch the bumper. And some people keep them on and some people don't. And I'm not really sure what I should do. I feel like I should keep it on and then just wrap it, like wrap it a purple. I might wrap it purple, or I could do white, or just keep it black. But I want to keep the bumper protected, so I feel like I need to just keep it on there. You know, I'm just now getting into YouTube, and you haters are already pissing me off. That's all right. I'll learn. Also, one of the next things that's getting done is trunk lid, roof, and hood being wrapped in satin black. And what do y'all think about this? I'm getting like this is kind of a content car, so should I get like a big like Demon decal to go here with like a red eye, because there's red on this car, and like red seat belts, red brake calipers. So I feel like I need to tie in a little red somewhere. Ooh, should I make that red? I don't know. God, y'all gonna have to let me know. What do y'all think about the RS? Do y'all think I should make a video on this? You think I should make a video on the GT3 RS? I think this might be a fan favorite. I don't know. Let me know. That might be the next one. Or should I drag race the 170 and my 18 Demon? They're both, I mean, this is 1,025. This is 1,000. They're both similar horsepower. This one's probably got a little bit better of a, you know, gear ratio and transmission. But another thing is my Jeep, as some of you may know, some of you don't, I have a Jeep from America's Most Wanted 4x4 that has a Demon swap in it. So that car, or that thing, is one of the craziest vehicles you could ever possibly drive, because Jeeps are known for, you know, flipping and losing control and the death wobble, whatever. Not this one. This Jeep is actually like a sports car. It handles like a sports car. There's no wobble. There's no pull, nothing. It is crazy. It's on 42s, which is insane. It's a Jeep on 42s with a Demon swap motor. And believe it or not, it'll smoke just about anything on the road. That's what's even crazier about it. But that, I'm gonna have a video on that coming at some point. But the issue with that is my cat's blue, so I gotta get a whole new exhaust, because there's too much back pressure in it, and I don't know when that'll be done. But as soon as that gets done, that'll be the first thing I do, is make a video on that. So stay tuned. It's the next day, and today is another very special day. I'm doing some photo shoot, ad, magazine, I don't know what it is, but with Nike. And it's gonna be me and Leon. If y'all know who Leon is, go watch. There's a video I have on my channel of my truck and his truck going through Atlanta. And yeah, I think we're doing something today with Nike. So I don't think I can bring y'all along for that. I don't think that I'm going to be allowed to do that, but did want to document it and let y'all know this is a pretty cool moment in my life. Just got done with the Nike thing. It's pretty cool. It's a crazy experience. It was an ad thing, so like I guess it'll go on like TikTok or whatever. But yeah, it was crazy. Everybody kept coming up and asking like, what's this for? What's this for? And I was just like, Nike. Like, what do you want me to say? But that's gonna do it for this video. Another short video. I just want to show y'all what I had done to the demon. It's still not done, so stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of y'all for watching. Seriously, it means a lot to me because I'm new to YouTube, and being able to actually interact with everybody and it's pretty cool. So I appreciate all y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.